US Indices futures traded bullish throughout the Asia and Europe session today, and now the volatility increasing here. Yes, with the rising tariff deadline, we have seen the increasing volatility here. What to expect now with the US session from US indices? Are we looking forward to a rally? Are we looking forward to a complete recovery or reversal here today? Or there is going to be sharper correction? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US session, trading US futures and US spot markets. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into S&P followed with Nasdaq then Dow. Watch till the now see first S&P on the hourly charts. It is very important for S&P to trade above 6350. Still 6350 is not taken. You have to be careful with the buys here. What is happening after the drop? It is retraced. Lower highs are seen. It may deliver lower lows. However, there are greater supports available at 6290 and 6280. Only and only if it trades below 6290, 6280, it's a reversal and it's a greater correction which we should see further. But right now what's happening, after rise it is retraced, and I expect it to move at least towards 6340 levels. So if you now see it is trading above 6320 22, expect it to move towards 6330 32, 6340 42, and 6350 52. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is still in green, trading with moderate bullishness. RSI is flat here. On the 2 hour charts, and you see similar observation. On the 2 hour charts, one important point is the reversal sign which it is shown here. Since then traded bearish. So now once it trades beyond 6322, you can initiate a buy, but then 6330 32 is what you should watch out for. And then 6340 42, 50 52. Else, notice this, once it trades below 6290, it might deliver a greater down move. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD almost flat, the RSI flat here as well. On the 3 hour, similar observation here on the 3 hour charts, a flat top here, which means preceding candle has to be taken away, preceding highs has to be taken away, that is 63 30 32. And see, also notice after diminishing bearishness a reversal sign has appeared, retracement, one good drop. I'll definitely watch out. If it trades beyond 63 30 32, expect more bullishness ahead. But right now it is seen struggling at 63 40 and 50 levels. Stochastic is rising, the MACD is still in green, the RSI is also showing a bit of rise. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Look at the support it has created here at 6290, and thus only below 6290 we can expect the bearishness here. Also notice higher lows, higher highs, and I can expect it to at least move towards 6340 possibly. Stochastic rising here, the MACD is in green, the RSI rising. And on the daily, look at the daily charts here. First of all, notice, see the symmetry here. Look at the symmetry. Then a swing candle has appeared, and today's candle starting off on a flat note. We can see similar size of candle which is going to take it high, which is going to possibly take it in fact towards 6400. And that is why I say once it trades beyond 63 50 52, expect it to rise more. What should be our target? See, first very clear buy at 63.22, expect it to move towards 63.30 32, 63.40 42, 63.50 52. If these three levels are taken, 63 65, 63 80 85, and then 6400 will be there today itself. Keep a note of this, possibility exists strong. However, if you see now S&P trading below 6304, you can take a sell at 6304, expect 63994 as the first target zone, 6380 82 as the second target zone, and below 62 80 82 as the 84 as the next target zone. Once it trades below 62 80 levels, that is the point of time you can expect the next move towards 6260, 6240, and 6200 levels very soon. Chances for which appears to be less. However, these are markets. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. See Tech 100 here. Look at the drop, retracement, drop, retracement. See almost identical double top here. So thus once I have discussed this earlier in the day as well. Now beyond 230120 is where you can expect slight bullishness, where you can expect it to move towards 23,200, the first target zone, and it is beyond 23,200 and 300. This is the zone Nasdaq has to take away, and once it trades beyond 23,300, direct landing is towards 23,400, which possibilities still exist. See, the stochastic is rising after the drop. MACD and RSI both are rising, still supportive for further bullishness. Look at 2 hour charts. What has happened here? Rise, retracement, symmetrical candles. And now once it trades beyond 23, 120, 140, we can expect a move towards 23,200, 23,300. Stochastic trying to cool down, the MACD trading with moderate bearishness, RSI looking upwards. On the 3 hour, similar observation, see reversal sign, drop, retracement. Now, it is important to note that it has formed a double bottom. It is trying to bounce back. Also notice it has formed a double top trying to reverse. Hence, a crossover on the upside beyond 23 120 140 we can expect bullishness, while if you see it is staying below 22 940 950 you can expect a greater down move. Remember, after the retracement, drop, retracement, and now once it trades below 22 940 950, expect 22 900 and 22 800 as well. Indicators are rising here and are supportive for further bullishness. On the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Notice it has formed double bottom, rise, retracement, and now possibly we may see again Tech 100 heading towards higher highs, which means we can expect it to move towards 23 120 140 levels, and in fact 23 200 levels at the next targets. Indicators are rising here, are still supportive for further bullishness. Coming to daily chart. Now see, notice on the daily chart, see after a good rise, we have seen couple of sharp candles where it has erased all the gains from the last couple of weeks. Now see the pullback here. It has shown a reversal, one pullback, symmetrical move, then a pullback or swing, and now it may possibly deliver similar size of candle. Now similar size of candle will increase the possibility of a move towards 23 200 300 400 and 500. Every 100 points till 23 500 it has got very good resistance on the upside. Yes, though the stochastic is rising, the MACD right now is trading bearish here and the RSI is flat. So considering, if you see now Tech 100 trading about 23 120, stay with the buys here, expected to move towards 23 150 160 23 200. And once 23 200 is taken, expect 23 300 400 500. Beyond 23 500, greater rise will be seen. While on the downside, you can take a sell at 23 920 levels, expect 22 980 23,000 first target zone. If that is taken, 22 940, and then last is 22 900. Any drop below 22 900, you should not think of buying Tech 100. It is going to head towards 22 800 and in fact 22 600 very soon. Chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. And now, before we move to Dow Jones, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, which I think you should, because see, first equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades with ease. You should join my next mentorship batch starting 1st of September. This is the 34th batch, and it's almost now 4 years since we are running this learning batch. Do join it today. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, you can reach out for queries here. And if you are just looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SAF-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now let's move to Dow Jones. See, if you look at US 30, first of all, it has breached the yesterday's high. It has moved higher. After the rise, it has retest. Now again looking upwards. Also, if you connect the lows and the highs, you can see these are beautifully connected. And now if you see it is staying beyond 44 350 360 zone, expect US 30 to head all the way towards 44 500, the first target zone, and 44 600, the next target zone. 44 650 rather, the next target zone. The moving averages are trading bullish, though if you look at the move, it appears after the rise retracement, again the rise, it could possibly retrace lower, but I'll definitely watch out how it behaves. First at 44,000, next at 43 900. The indicators have cooled down. The MACD is still rising, RSI rising, and stochastic is the one which has cooled down. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement. See, it has breached past this resistance, it is looking upwards. And hence now, if you see it is staying beyond 44 400, you can stay with the buys. In fact, you can buy at 44 360, expect 44 500. 44 650 and higher levels. But when you see the move here, rise, retracement, rise, it could possibly form a reversal where higher highs will be seen. Yes, the indicators, specifically stochastic, has cooled down while the MACD is rising and the RSI is flat here. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See this, after the rise, it has shown a pullback. I'll just wait for it to stay below the 50 period and the 20 period here. And specifically a move below 44 100 is what I will mention and highlight here, because below this expect 44,000, 43 920, 43 800, below which a greater correction should follow. Things are, the stochastic is overbought, though the MACD and RSI is still having room for further rise. On the 4-hour charts, this is important to note, swings here, and see after hitting the highs trying to reverse, it is possible that it can find a support at around 44 100 44,000 zone and bounce back, but below that it should not. Yes, the stochastic is overbought, the MACD is rising, the RSI is also showing a bit of rise. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice diminishing bearishness reversal sign, one bullish candle swing here, and the current one already it has seen the height here. Now it is pretty important for US30 to trade above 44,400 levels here. Beyond this, expect it to move towards 44. 550, 600 as the next target zone, and in fact 44,700 will be seen. Today's move is going to decide the future of US30, because see, and yes, it could be a swingful day where I will say till 44,000 or 43,920, do not treat this as bearish. Only and only if it trades below 44,000 and 43,920, you can see this as bearish. Yes, the stochastic is rising while the MACD is trading bearish and the RSI is flat here. So considering this mixed indication, but I'll recommend you to stay with the buys if you now see US30 trading about 44,320. Expect 44,360, 44,400. Beyond 44,400, 44,540, the next 44,600, the second. And if 44,600 is also taken, expect it to move towards 44,710 and 800 levels. See, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 44,180 levels. Expect it to move towards 44,120, 100 as the first target zone, 44,000 as the next. And if 44,000 is taken, stay bearish. We can expect it to move towards 43,920, 43,800. Let's see, the direction it takes today is going to remain the direction for a while. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the Asia and Europe session. Watch that update as well. Thank you.